Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Deel, a global hiring platform that allows you to hire employees from all over the world. I've been using Deel for a while now, and I found it to be a really valuable tool for my business. But one thing that I get asked a lot is whether or not Deel has fees. And the answer is yes, Deel does have fees. But don't worry, I'm going to break down all of the different fees that Deel charges, so you can make an informed decision about whether or not Deel is right for you. Deel's fees. There are three main types of fees that Deel charges. Platform fees. These fees are charged based on the amount of money that you pay to your employees. The platform fee is currently 5% for all plans. Professional services fees. These fees are charged for services such as setting up your company, onboarding new employees, and providing payroll services. The professional services fee is currently 1% of your monthly payroll. Compliance fees. These fees are charged to ensure that your company is compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. The compliance fee is currently $199 per month. In addition to the above fees, Deel also charges a one-time setup fee of $499. How Deel's fees compare to other global hiring platforms. Deel's fees are competitive with other global hiring platforms. In fact, Deel is often one of the most affordable options available. When to consider Deel's fees. Deel's fees can be a bit expensive if you have a large team or if you pay your employees high salaries. However, Deel can be a good option if you are just starting out or if you have a small team. Deel is a great platform for hiring employees from all over the world. However, it is important to be aware of the fees that Deel charges before you sign up. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video about Deel's fees. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to check out my website for more information about Deel. Thanks for watching.